Hi everybody and welcome to this week's free newsletter for the 21st of April. My name's Craig Cobb and I'm going to show you a couple of charts that I like the look of. First of all, Aussie Swiss, look at this on the weekly. A lovely pullback into the sell zone a few weeks back and it's moved lower beautifully well. Now, it's pulled back in again into that sell zone and this continuation looks likely to me. That's why I'm keeping a very close eye on it. It has broken down through the low of that weekly candle. Coming to the daily now, and you can also see here, if I just zoom in a little bit, lower high here. Now we've broken down through here as a lower low. We are now back into a daily downtrend within that weekly downtrend as well. Now, as much as there's no trading opportunities right here, when you look at this 2-hour chart, you think, well, there's some support there, price pulling back, maybe the 1 hour. Well, the fact of the matter is, yes, there is a 1 hour PLT there. Only on the 1 hour though, remember. We need more than that. I have no trade right here, right now. What I'd like to see actually, I'd love to see it to either pull back a bit further and then push lower and then look for opportunities below this level of support. But right now, I'm just keeping a very close eye on it. Remember, I've got all week, so there's no rush. I'd love to see it continue on down and looking for opportunities to the short side. Euro sterling's another one. Euro is definitely looking a bit bearish out there when crossed and paired with some other currencies. The weekly pulling back into the sell zone bearish candle. Last week didn't really have much of an inspired move lower, to be fair, but it's still below the level. It's still looking bearish, and I'm still looking for opportunities to the downside. It's when I come to this daily chart, you see this lower high, here's a low, lower low now. So we are now back into a daily downtrend. Thing is, we see these candles actually here. You know, this is a relatively bullish candle, bullish candle, bullish candle, broken to the upside just, okay? However, as soon as it broke up, we've seen this bearish candle form in last night's or yesterday's session. Now, what I'm looking at here is a potential break lower. If it breaks the low of this bearish candle, then yes, I will be looking for opportunities short. But really, the clenching factor for me to really believe that this is going to continue on sailing lower on euro sterling is if I can get this support level broken right here. Now you can just see this daily candle has just come in. You can see that right there. If I can break down through these lows, because there is some support there, that's going to be the point at which I believe, okay, I think this is going to go a lot further. So looking for it to break down and then looking for opportunities to be short euro sterling on these lower time frames potentially, but right now on these lowers it's just sort of sideways, so just holding out, taking my time, patiently waiting. And then there's silver. So silver on the weekly, here we go, rejecting $17. It's not that inspiring on the weekly, to be honest. Here's a lower high here. We haven't got that lower low, so we haven't got a confirmation downtrend. The monthly certainly is. It's when we come to the daily now that I see the potential for trading opportunities this week, but there needs to be a few things happen before I fill my boots. First of all, here's our daily chart. You can see $16 or thereabouts is looming. You can see lower high, lower low. So we are in a confirmed downtrend right now. I want to see price break down through $16. Okay, I want to see that happen. If price can break down through $16, I'll be looking for pullbacks up into $16. Okay, looking for opportunities to be selling from $16. Now I know we're not there just yet, but this is how I trade. I plan things out. I wait and think. Right, what's the best situation that I could have? That would be it. I'm looking for that. That is what I'm waiting for. There's nothing really on these lower time frames. As you can see, it's a bit sideways and just a bit of a mess. It's the 720 minute or the 12 hour. You can see that there. But we need to get below $16 for me to truly be turned on to looking for opportunities to the downside. So there's three markets I'm looking at very closely this week, guys, and a couple of other things I want to point out. You are all aware of our free newsletter because you're listening to it right now. You're all aware of our trading webinars, I'm sure, and if not, I'm about to show you what we've got this week because we have a brand new webinar this week that you haven't seen for a very long time. Then there's the Let's Chat. Now, the Let's Chat is there if you want to learn more about what we do and how we can help you with your trading through our products and whatnot. Then you just register there and you'll speak to either myself or a member of the Trade with Precision trading team. So don't forget about that Let's Chat option. It's really good use after you've gone through a couple of these trading webinars. But the webinars for this week, free live webinars for this week, is how to trade Forex with precision. This one is back after popular demand. We keep webinars in rotation. We're just doing a new rollover now, and we've upgraded and done a few changes to this how to trade Forex with precision. We'll look at sort of clarifying what Forex is for people. Look at the 8 reasons why it's a perfect market for traders, and look at some of the ins and outs of how we approach trading the foreign exchange market. Of course, our strategies you can apply to any market in any time frame, but this particular webinar is specifically for foreign exchange. First webinar of this running for a long time is tonight, 7 p.m. Sydney, 9 p.m. Auckland, or 10 a.m. London. That will be with me. Then again, the following day, you can see here 3 p.m. New York, 8 p.m. London, 5 a.m. Sydney, and 7 a.m. Auckland the following day. So that will be the 23rd for Sydney and Auckland. Guys, register for that webinar. It's going to be an absolute cracker. It's been a while since we've done it, and I'm looking forward to presenting that tonight for everyone in the Southern Hemisphere and potentially early morning Londoners. And look, I hope you have a fantastic trading week. I'll speak to you all very soon. Bye for now.